Greetings, greetings, greetings. I am Eddie Edmonds once again, and I am here to provide you with a free website. And that is a website that is free of charge. Now, I'm going to make you a promise right now. And that promise is that you can have a free website from us. And the way we can do this is because we are in the website making business. We're with Wealthy Affiliate, and we're in that business. We make tailor-made websites. What we do is we make sure that you get three things. You get expert help, you get a website, and then you get the education. And so you get your education first, then a website that you use with the education you get. You put your own website together so you know what you're doing, and then you get expert help, and that expert help keeps you straight. It gets you off all snags, all blockages. Expert help is what you need. And you need it as you go along, not only just to make the website, but to maintain it and to bring that website into a prosperous business. So come on in and start your journey into prosperity. You sure will enjoy the difference. Come on to Wealthy Affiliate and make that free website, and then make you a good business.